All right, ladies and gentlemen, traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. Guys, be sure to hit that thumbs up as you're tuning in. And of course, if you are a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. I am officially, guys, in a drawdown. I am officially going into trader rehab here for this next upcoming couple of days. It's time for me to take a step back and size down even a little more and really start to utilize some more limit orders towards the bids because boy oh boy have I been getting destroyed with some of the higher fills. We know what the territory is when it comes to being aggressive with these hyper scalps and market orders, um not really giving you the best entries, right? We know this is a thing. It's been a thing. Thinkorswim does have price improvement, but at times we will get our fair share of the maximum fill on the ask, and even fills above the ask, which I've noticed, which has not been great. But yeah, it's all part of the deal. This is what it is, right? It comes. This is what it comes down to. So making the necessary adjustment and sizing down. Now, a lot of today's recap is a lot of what we covered yesterday, so I'm not going to get into the super nitty gritty of it. But in terms of the damage, we are down 698.62. We are officially in our largest drawdown ever, which is about $6,000 right now. $6,000 worth of drawdown. Now, on one hand, it's one good green day. On the other hand, we've been seeing some chop. I think the last 3 weeks and the last 4 days have been very different. The last 2 weeks or so, things just a little slower. The last 3 or 4 days, hotter opportunities, but not getting the best fills. And so we are 10 and 11, and not only are we 10 and 11, but we've been seeing a lot bigger red days than we would like. And this is fine. If I'm 10 and 11, can we be 5,000 by 5,000, not 5,000 by 10,000? This is double negative. So not good in that aspect. We definitely have to size down and, continue to make adjustments. Continue to make small tweaks. I think maybe trading even a little less and just completely avoiding the first couple of dips. I mean, I have notepads. It's so interesting, right? Because it's been a long time since I really brought out my stickies. I mean, for those of you guys who will remember these, let me see how it looks in the camera. Yeah, I have stickies. I mean, so many of them. There's so many stickies that I have things written down on for different type of markets that I've been going through and issues that I've had over the years. So I think it's time for the stickies to come back out. And I did write down some stuff yesterday on this envelope here. I have this envelope where I wrote down a bunch of stuff, but it's time to get back to the basics. Time to get back to the fundamentals of what makes me profitable. And, writing down a lot of the things that I'm noticing that are obvious will help. And one of those things today, is to perhaps not get super aggressive, or not. Let's not say aggressive. Let's not trade the first pullback or second pullback or any pullback on that move down, because I'm noticing that at least I'm able to get green on a few of these days on the move going up, right? Friday greens 1800 to then red, you know. Today green 450 bucks to then red. So there's an obvious trend of when the backside start, I need to stop trading because I'm not able to be accurate enough on the pullback trades. And so the two things I can do is to stop or to size down to a very small amount. And I think either or. Ultimately, if I'm in there with just like 100 shares for the sake of just feeling out the momentum, it could be a good thing. That way, I'm not getting hurt at all. But then I'm able to connect, perhaps put myself into a decent rhythm, and then be able to take the appropriate trades from there throughout a sequence. But I think I gotta avoid those pullback trades, man, because I've gotten obliterated on them. CMND, not much here. But GSUN and GSUN, beautiful move. I mean, just you look at the charting wise. I mean, it looks so good. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful. It looks lovely, chart wise. Price action wise, disaster, disaster. But again, making money on the move up, but then giving back profits, trying to buy the pullback specifically in this area here. Going up here wasn't so bad, but in this consolidation, usually I'll try to add a little bit of something, buying a little lower, selling a little higher, perhaps trying to take a breakout trade over the high and sell higher. Once we get to this area, I have to stop. Even here, trying for this over 50, immediately flushes back down. And note how these candlesticks are looking every time we get up here. Big drop, big drop. I mean, this time it did push through, but I mean, it still ended up being a bit of a false breakout, really. Big drop, big drop, big drop, big drop. And so even on the lower side, a little difficult to determine some of the lows as we overshoot the landing zone a couple of times. Right here was pretty tight in terms of bottoms, but overshooting the zone. Right here, overshooting the zone. And so you can end up buying the dip a little early and get chopped out. So I think avoiding a lot of these pullbacks, trading the front side, getting green, getting out. Just going to keep it simple. Focusing on getting green. And that is it. Usually I'm green 7 out of 10 days. This is, from 50%, just, not good at all. This is down way too much here. So we got to make the changes and do what's necessary to ensure success. Pastor. Yeah, quick recap here, just for the sake of transparency, really. Again, a lot of similarities for what we saw yesterday, but again, coming with some of the adjustments, writing down my game plan here, and then sticking to it. So tomorrow, front side trading, you guys can expect an early end to the live stream. Perhaps I'll see if Marcelo or Tim, maybe Triad, wants to go live, but the moment I am done, I'll be out of here. A lot of times I like to stick around for the sake of the live stream to just hang out and call outs, keep the live stream open, the chat open, stuff like that. The scanner's up. Once I'm green, that's it, man. Gotta do what's necessary to lock it in. So in terms of the mental side of things, I do feel pretty good. I still understand that this is one good day for me, so I'm not, there is no worry, there's no panic. I've went 6 months of going sideways before in 2020 or 2020. So 3 weeks of this is like whatever. And besides, even if the year was to end tomorrow, it's already a great year, So there's no pressure. It's a matter of me just coming in and looking forward to doing what I do best, which is to be disciplined. And so I'm going to make the adjustment and execute. So hit that thumbs up. Quick recap. Not super technical, but just a bit of surface level. Just a quick gloss over of what we're doing. Right now I'm about to head out to the gym, have a good workout, and take the day from there. All right, guys, stay safe, stay green. Hit that thumbs up. And also, before I forget, check out the, for those of you who are interested in classes, we do have a new coupon that's up. Coupon code Miami in honor of the next day trading team house meetup, which will be coming this summer. Right, so you guys can utilize coupon code Miami for 40% off. If you are not if you're not involved, or let's say you just don't know about what Merciless Markets is, this is the day trading course that I offer here in the community. When it comes down to getting one-on-one mentorship sessions, when it comes down to getting live trading archives, access to the chat room, and so forth, you can really come down and look at this diagram here for the perks. All right, this diagram here has everything. You guys can check it out, right? We do live stream in the Discord as well, low latency stream. So you guys can check it out. The curriculum here, the curriculum is also here. Let's reset this. Yeah, the curriculum is right here, so you can come down and see what's involved in the chapters, right? And yeah, if you think it's something you might like, or if you like our style of trading, and I say we because it's not only myself, but there's also Marcelo, Tim, and Triad, all right? All members of the day trading team house. We trade here in this YouTube day trading community. We're all in the same Discord, stuff like that. So yeah, check us out, and feel free to check out Diamond if you are interested in getting everything. But if you maybe might want to rock with Triad or Tim, you can check out them individually. But yeah, you can check to see what's available. All right, stay safe, stay green. It's been Relentless Trader, guys, and I am out. Lights out. Hit that thumbs up. I'll catch you guys later, bright and early tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m.